The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, slated for release on January 22, 2025, is poised to be a significant advancement in Samsung's flagship lineup. Here's an overview of its anticipated features and enhancements. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature a refined design with more rounded corners, enhancing its ergonomic appeal. This change enhances in-hand comfort and ergonomics, making the device more pleasant to hold during extended use. The device boasts some of the thinnest bezels seen on a smartphone, providing an immersive viewing experience and a sleek, modern appearance. Maintaining a premium feel, the S25 Ultra features a titanium-coated frame with a grippy, porous finish, ensuring durability and a secure grip. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated to feature a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of approximately 505 ppi. The display is expected to support a variable refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, thanks to LTPO technology, which allows for adaptive adjustment based on the content being viewed. The device is also expected to feature Corning Gorilla Glass armor for enhanced durability and scratch resistance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which has demonstrated impressive capabilities in preliminary benchmarks. In Geekbench 6 tests, a Qualcomm reference device equipped with this chipset achieved a 40% improvement in single-core performance and a 42% increase in multi-core performance compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Additionally, graphics performance, as measured by the 3D Mark Wildlife Unlimited test, showed a 24% enhancement. A 200-megapixel wide-angle lens with optical image stabilization, OIS, and an f/1.7 aperture, utilizing adaptive pixel technology for enhanced image clarity and dynamic range. A 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens with an f/2.2 aperture, enabling expansive field-of-view shots suitable for landscapes and group photos. A 50-megapixel telephoto sensor offering 3x optical zoom, equipped with OIS and phase detection autofocus, PDAF, for sharp, close-up images. A 12-megapixel wide-angle lens with an f/2.2 aperture, supporting dual-pixel PDAF for quick and accurate focusing, and capable of recording 4K videos at 30 to 60 fps. The device is expected to offer configurations with up to 16 GB of RAM, facilitating seamless multitasking and efficient handling of resource-intensive applications. Storage options are likely to include 256 GB and 512 GB variants, providing ample space for user data and media. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated to maintain a 5,000 mAh battery capacity, consistent with its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The device is expected to support 45W wired charging, similar to the S24 Ultra. It is likely to feature 25W wireless charging, with potential support for Qi 2 magnetic wireless charging, enhancing alignment and efficiency during the charging process. The S25 Ultra may include reverse wireless charging capabilities, allowing it to charge other compatible devices. Pros: the 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen provides vibrant and sharp visuals, enhancing the viewing experience. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, it ensures smooth and efficient operation for demanding tasks. The 200MP main camera, along with advanced zoom capabilities, allows for high-quality photography in various settings. Supports 45W wired and 25W wireless charging, enabling quick recharge times to keep you connected. Cons: its large size may make one-handed use challenging, potentially affecting user comfort during extended use. Extended gaming or resource-heavy tasks can cause the device to heat up, potentially affecting performance over time. Lack of a microSD slot limits storage options to internal capacities, which may be a drawback for users requiring extensive space. Conclusion: the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra delivers impressive display quality, performance, and camera versatility, making it a strong contender in the premium smartphone market. However, potential users should consider factors such as its size, battery life, and storage limitations when making a purchasing decision.